Everybody is confusing right now. They're confusing this exact thing. Unlist or delete. So let me explain when you need to delete a video and when you need to unlist a video and when you could just private a video. So the difference between deleting and unlisting a video is if you're doing a complete niche change, complete content change on your channel, you're gonna wanna delete it. And why? Because it's gonna send the wrong signals. All that data that video gathered up is for that video and that type of content. So if you're not making that type of content no more, you're gonna wanna delete it because all that data from that video is useless. Now this is something that everybody is confusing right now. They're confusing this exact thing. Unlist or delete. So if you're doing topic change, content change, niche change, complete change, everything, delete. If in the same niche, and it's just if you can justify it like realistically, like I don't know your content, so I can't tell you, but if you look at your content and you say, oh okay, if I watch this I'm gonna watch the next video, realistically don't lie to yourself, because that's where everybody messes up. If you say I'd watch this and I'd continue watching this, then yeah, leave it up. But if you wouldn't, then take it off so it can look clean. And I'm gonna put it up on screen now so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. I started doing YouTube Shorts recently, and as you can see, I'm not doing too bad here. I'm not really gonna be sticking to this topic, so I decided to do a few channels. But as you can see, I started uploading and then I started doing more consistently. As you can see, I did January 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, and that was, honestly, that was enough just to push the algorithm to be consistent, as you can see right here. And this is on a channel that's had several content changes. So when you do a content change, you do actually want to delete your video, because your video is going to be giving off the wrong signals for the wrong type of content that you're making. So if you're making like a completely different niche, delete it. If it's in the same niche, unlist it. So that's one thing that everyone is getting confused right now. They're getting confused because some are saying delete, some are saying private, some are saying delete, you lose data. Yes, you're gonna lose data, but if that data is not gonna be working for you, you don't need that data. It's irrelevant. So that's one thing you guys need to understand. And I just wanted to make this quick video because this right here, 4 days, consistent times. I'd say that's the tricky part, because on this one it's the same. I posted in the same minute every day. So I've done it on the channel before, just before this one, and I was doing it just daily, random times, and I had the same, I think I had even more, honestly. I had even more views. But this is just off of 4 videos, and on the last one it was over probably 20 videos. So as you can see, all these videos are relatively new. So all the views are clustered. As you can see, there's a spike right there, similar around all times for all those videos right there. And that'll be most likely the time that I uploaded or the time that they usually start getting pushed. So when you make a new YouTube channel and you're doing the shorts niche, you really want to keep the topic almost identical. I mean, you even need to do color frames, your clothing, if you could somehow match your clothing, if you could somehow match your background repetitively. Train your first 3 videos are going to train the algorithm on what kind of color frames you use. Voice, I do believe your voice and showing your actual face will help you a lot more now in 2026. So that's something you guys should keep in mind now. Keep in mind that in 2026, all AI automation is over. It's not going to be getting pushed no more. And I've been testing it for myself. I hopped on it as soon as I can. As you can see, all these videos, I'm not the best content creator out there. As you can see, in the last 48 hours, over 20,000 views. And I do believe the algorithm is going to be helping you more if you show your face and your real voice and you try to be a real content creator. If you do YouTube automation in 2026, you're not going to get pushed. You're going to be struggling all over again. Don't do it. So the YouTube niche game in 2026 has changed. It's not gonna be faceless automation AIs now. If you're gonna want to be running multiple YouTube channels on different niches, you're gonna have to do it either very strategically faceless, but still use your actual voice, or you're gonna be doing face content in different niches in different accounts using your own face, because in 2026 they already released the official ban for anything that's artificially created as an audio voice. In long form videos as well, you can't use artificially created thumbnails now in 2026. Okay, you know I had to do it to you. So when you put a video on private, the only reason why you want to put a video on private is if it has absolutely nothing to do with your YouTube channel.